how to uninstall Microsoft Edge. It's either on Windows 11 or Windows 10. Now, if you go directly to your Windows icon right here and then heading directly to Add and Remove Programs, if you go ahead and look into the Microsoft Edge, which is going to be this one right here, the uninstall button is actually not an option for you to be able to press. So what you want to do is to access any preferred web browser, and we are downloading a third-party application or software. So in your search bar, simply type in Wise Uninstaller. And from here, just choose on the wisecleaner.com that will take you to the Wise Program and Installer's official website. And all you have to do next is to download this software right here. Now, once you have downloaded the software, you'll have to install it completely. Now, once everything is installed, all you have to do is to look for the Microsoft Edge and you'll have to click on Force Uninstall. So that's it. That's how easy and fast you can uninstall Microsoft Edge on Windows 11 or 10.